This is part 2, day 2. I'm sneaking up on him, so hopefully he's not in the middle of problems. I do see wires hanging out of the car. So I'm sneaking up. Uh-oh, he's got that look. I heard grinding before I came up.
Oh, no, I've just got it where, put this down through the floor. Show the headlights and all the functions on the motor. And got them all hid back in here. Got the fuse box in there.
Oh, and it's wired? Yeah, let me do this. I think we can show behind there. Look at that.
It's pretty neat.
That was a lot easier doing it on the bench.
Yes.
And working on the knees.
Yeah.
You got pads under your knees there?
No, I'll pay for it tomorrow.
So we got lots of wires going the general right direction. So you've been working on it quite a bit then.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You've been working on it all day then.
Pretty much, yeah.
So I'm just getting to the neighborhood of terminating. Almost.
Almost, yeah.
Sort of, kinda, not really.
Yeah, not really.
But
anyway,
we're good. Wires in. I didn't see any comments. I posted it last night, so I didn't see Joe make any comments.
Oh, okay.
Do we got a tube coming up through here?
No, there's one over here. I wish we had one on both sides.
So we need to start doing that?
Yeah, probably. It'd be a whole lot easier.
So there's a tube going up there, so you can run your tube. Does he get a radio?
No.
No radio, but we can wire up there.
Yeah.
So then he won't be putting speakers back here then either.
Check it out.
Oh, I like it. You put red in there.
Put red in there. I thought, well, the car's red.
You really can't see on this picture, but it's, yeah. So you put a red lens in there. You can't even tell around from the face, but you can kind of see from the side. You can see the.
Oh yeah, I can see them real good over here.
Yeah. It's not getting the colors.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Yeah.
So they're just lighting up. They light up kind of red.
Yep. Well, they've got little covers that goes on the lights. They got green or red or just plain. I thought, well, everything's red. Let's just make them red.
Is there a light in here?
No.
Well, bummer. That would have been cool.
Yeah. Sure enough.
So we're under. We'll tidy it up. But you're not going through the frame to get to the lights, the headlights?
No. Can't do it on this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wires will be in here pretty soon, then they'll be down to terminating. Gas tank will be here. We wound up finding a gas tank that we could buy that fits in here good, gives enough gallons. I forget how many exactly, but so that'll be here in another day or so we won't have to build that tank, which will be much nicer. It's aluminum painted or anodized black, so it's got all this stuff. It's got a fuel pump. Electric fuel pump. Surely it's got electric. Yeah, it's got electric fuel pump.
Yeah, this does. Oh yeah.
So that's already mounted under the car, probably.
Yeah, it's already on the car.
All our. So we're getting there. We're getting there. So this is a quick part 2.
Progress.
Quick part 2. Well, I did talk to the folks at the Frog Follies.
Yeah.
I heard in the background. You know what I heard? Fast Eddie, fast Eddie, fast.
Yeah,
we want fast
I bet
Eddie.
you did.
I was talking to Josh. We're both trying to estimate. So next year, 2025, that'll be our 30th year.
Is that right?
And you've probably been working with me since almost day one.
Well, no, maybe. I don't.
It wasn't. You were working.
Since then.
You were with Gene.
Huh?
We were using Gene. We're real early.
Yeah, and then use. I was at Pat's for a while.
Well, we didn't use you when you were at Pat's. So you.
We did some. I done a few seats when I was over there. Yeah.
So anyway.
That was 95, somewhere back in there.
So it'll be our 30th anniversary.
Uh-huh.
Frog Follies' 50th anniversary. Josh and I were trying to estimate how many cars we've done. How many cars do you think we've done over the years?
Oh man, I don't know.
We were like running some rough numbers. I think we're going to be close. I think we're at 35 to 4,000 cars. 3,500 to 4,000 cars.
I bet so.
So I'm going to start working on putting a registry together of Spirit car owners.
Yeah.
So if you're hearing this video, I'm not sure where we want to get the information at, but we'll get the information together. Yeah. Even if you're not the original owner and you got a Spirit car, I'd like to know who's got Spirit cars.
Right, yeah.
And talking to the folks at the Frog Follies, we're still putting the deal together. It's not a done deal to build the car there, but it's getting closer and closer. It'd be cool to have a Spirit Friends and Family reunion there. Well, the Frog Follies, it's not like some of the other shows where they're just corporate and they're there to make some money. It's like a party.
Oh, yeah.
You've been telling me there's a dance. You could get out there dancing and doing all kinds of stuff. We're talking about painting the car candy green. So that'd be good.
Yeah, that'd fit.
So Frog Follies is still looking like a go. We got a bunch of trucks around here. I might need to buy a trailer again. We'll have to, and they got a big swap meet.
Yeah.
We'll have to buy some stuff, take some stuff. So anyway, Joe's car is coming along. Looking good, and it won't have a cardboard gas tank here coming next week. It'll have a gas tank. Be plumbed up. What's next? What's next on this one?
More wiring.
More wiring?
Yeah.
Get the gas tank in.
Yeah, get that plugged. We got most of the lines running underneath. We'll have to run it on from there up to the carburetor. We already got the filters and everything up underneath there.
I like to get the windshield in then.
Yeah.
I don't know if I cut it yet. I might get on cutting that windshield.
Right.
And then we put the interior in. We can put the doors on it then.
Well, I still got a lot of wiring to do before then.
Well, no, after the wiring done.
Yeah.
That's probably the next thing we should do though, is get the interior in, put the doors on so they're not sitting around.
Yeah.
Before we fire up I don't know if we're firing up the motor or not. I don't think we are. We're just wiring it up. I think he's gonna fire it up. So,
Yeah, a little bit.
hey, we'll give him something to talk about in the comments. What should we do next?
Right.
I can tell you what Robin's gonna say. Work on mine. Work on mine. So we'll do that. Oh, and Bill's gonna have.
Yeah, stab roast.
Yeah, I'll get the wiring done on this. We'll get Bill's fired up. That can be out of here next week, maybe. So that's the plan for this. So you're kind of caught up as much as we are. It's Friday. It's raining.
Right.
Gonna have a great weekend.
Okay.
All right. So there it is for part 2.